Hi friends!
Triton is a charming town located on Triton Island, just off the northeastern coast of Newfoundland. With a population of around 1,000 residents, Triton is the economic hub of Green Bay South and boasts a growing and vibrant community. The name Triton has an interesting history, evolving from early records as Troytown, Traytown, Triton, and Torytown. It likely comes from the English term Troytown, referring to a maze, which makes sense given the complex harbors here. Little Triton Harbor, also known as Triton East, was the earliest settlement area, dating back to the 1830s or 1840s. It was first used by fishermen from Twillingate as seasonal fishing stations. Some of the early settlers had winter houses and gardens in Great Triton Harbor, and by the 1880s, it was settled year-round. In the early days, Triton had strong ties with Twillingate, where fishermen traded cod. In the 1890s, the first stores opened in Little Triton, acting as agents for merchants from Little Bay Islands. The construction of a causeway in 1968 connected the island to Pilley's Island and the mainland, leading to further growth. Today, Triton is a thriving community with a rich history and a bright future. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Triton, Newfoundland.
you.